Listen from me, sir. Today I'm visiting Hunan Cenlee Scientific Instrument Factory. Their hot-selling product is Centrifuge. So let's go inside their factory to check how they are going to produce the machine of Centrifuge.
And here is our first process. It's the material and parts of the centrifuge. And here is the assembling area. And here is the quality test. We will check the centrifuge's quality before we send it to our customer. And here is our warehouse. We can see all the centrifuge's parts is also in our warehouse.
Ethercom makes foreign trading easier.